Hello, everyone. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and I'm here today with Dena Giordano-McKinney from Dynamicweb. Dena, introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
Thanks for having me, Rick. I'm the Director of Partnerships for Dynamicweb North America. Dynamicweb is a global company that started as a CMS platform over 20 years ago in Denmark. We have around 350 active partners, both referral and implementation, worldwide, and about 4,000 customers who use Dynamicweb for integrated B2B portals, B2C sites, as well as content management, email marketing, and product information management. Many of our customers do have multiple sites, so we're managing around 12 to 13,000 sites a day.
So let's talk a little bit about what you do in the Microsoft world. So you integrate with the ERP solutions and any other technology from Microsoft?
Yes, so we have pre-built integrations across the Microsoft stack. So from Nav, BC, AX, FNO, FNSCM to CE. And really, we got our start with Nav over 20 years ago. So we really have built out, and Microsoft has been a part of our strategy for a couple decades now.
Okay, that's good. So let's talk a little bit about, when we talk about web portals, because a lot of people don't really understand when we talk about my side of things, CRM. I've done a lot of portal work over the years. So let's talk about some of the use cases for portals and how our customers are using them today.
Yeah, great question. So dealer portals and the online B2B portals are really the use case we see across manufacturing, distribution, and wholesalers. So specifically, our all-in-one solution, really the differentiator and the value add there is we have content management, e-commerce, email marketing, and product information management built in. So it's not just the e-commerce portal. You're able to leverage all that website behavior through email marketing, send up really targeted campaigns. A lot of our customers also manage and leverage our PIM solution. So you can enrich the data on the back end, push it out to the multiple third-party channels and publications. And then CMS, we started as CMS, and really the best practice is to use low code, no code. So our CMS uses that, which is really a visual editor drag and drop solution that's built for a marketer. It's also built for partners to easily stand up a fully functioning end-to-end site without touching the code. So you can touch the HTML, CSS if you need to, but we've had internal competitions where we've done the sites ourselves. So it's pretty cool.
Okay, great. So I've done a lot of work from the CRM side on the partner relationship PRM side. So for example, if I'm a manufacturer and I have 3 or 4 tiers of distribution, Dynamicweb can build a portal that can sort of manage that. And it sounds like you can actually manage the marketing automation out to those partners.
Exactly. Yeah. And e-commerce for us is more than a shopping cart. So you can log in, have customer specific pricing, which we pull from a live integration. You can pay invoices online. You can look at all of the historical orders. So for example, if you come to Dynamicweb and you have 10 years of data, we pull that pretty easily from the ERP into Dynamicweb. So you can view, the last decade of orders in Dynamicweb. And really the customer specific pricing, that personalized, login for B2B customers is where we set ourselves apart. So you have really the full front end of CMS, e-commerce, you go through the entire, shopping experience, user experience, and then the email marketing personalization on the back end to really give them a more, custom experience. And then the product information management is really more of a trend now. I think customers are becoming more educated. They're learning more how they can actually help and solve their business challenges. So it's really a full e-commerce end-to-end strategy that we're providing in the market.
Excellent. So tell me a little bit about how you work with partners and how partners can get involved with you.
Yeah, so we have a really competitive referral and implementation partner program. So things like commission, of course, sales spiffs. We have a dedicated partner marketing team to support our go-to-market strategies that we, align with partners on, and of course, executing creative campaigns. On the implementation side, we have a full certification program. So partners we really set them up for success, and you can kind of get the certification, use us for support as needed. And because we are a boutique provider in the market, we're not the largest. We're able to provide a white glove experience for partners. So our team is really dedicated to not only their technical expertise and supporting the customer and partner, but really providing a one-to-one with the partner as they're getting certifications, and really setting them up to run with those projects on their own.
Okay, thank you. So Dena, it's a pleasure, and giving us your time today to talk about Dynamicweb, and we'll be back to you at some point to find out how your partner ecosystem is growing.
Wonderful. Thanks, Rick. Looking forward to it.
Bye for now.